Hello, I'm Dr. Dennis Koo, author of Driving Digital Transformation and the All Digital Future Playbook. Today, I'd like to give you an introduction to the All Digital Future Playbook, or taP, and why it has the potential and power to achieve a breakthrough in the success rates of digital transformations today. This video is a two-parter. The first part explains why transformations in incumbent companies of size are inherently very complex and examines the leading causes of digital transformation failures in such companies. The second part explains why taP has the potential and power to be breakthrough in helping these companies overcome such difficulties. Complex systems are complex because they have many parts that make up the whole. An automobile with an internal combustion engine, for example, has 30,000 parts in total, of which 2,000 plus are moving parts. It's extremely complicated to look at all of the 30,000 parts to figure out how an automobile works. But we can create a standard model for any four-wheel automobile by breaking it into its 9 main components, as illustrated in this diagram. The engine, the steering, the suspension, the transmission, the electrical or electronics, brakes, exhaust, and the car body. Each of these 30,000 parts can then be organized around these components, making the entire automobile easier to understand in terms of how the parts make up the whole. Similarly, designing and executing a business transformation in an organization of size is complex, as there are many components to take into account. First, there's the scope of the transformation that could encompass selling, servicing, engaging, cultivating data-driven decisions, supply chain, manufacturing, logistics, and robotics. And all that has to be integrated into the core systems. These components can be both departmental in nature, example, marketing, sales, human resources, information technology, to allow for expertise and focus, but also domain in nature, for example, process, design, methods, quality, customer experience, that cut across departments, as well as relationships between people within and across various departments and domains. This makes enabling business transformations very complex and is one of the major reasons why digital transformations fail. According to Bain, BCG, and McKinsey, the failure rates can be very high, as between 70 to 92% of all digital transformations fail. Today, no effective approach to resolve such complexities exists, neither in industry nor in the many universities and institutions that offer digital transformation programs. Neither does a standard model break any transformation into its major components, until now. To address this issue, we first set out to identify the major causes of transformation failure. 1. Solution before the problem. 2. Inability to manage the complexity. 3. Treating it as mostly a tech issue. 4. Is neither desirable, viable, or feasible. And 5. Lacking the talent to execute. After understanding these failures in depth, we then set out to create and design a methodology to help companies overcome these difficulties. I'll talk to that in the second part of this video. Thank you.